How to fix issue can't add passport to digital ID on the iPhone. Okay, there are a number of different things that can cause you to have this issue. The first thing that you check is make sure your iOS is up to date. You need to have at least iOS 26.1 or later. So go into settings, and in settings, go down and tap on general, then tap on software update, and make sure you have the latest iOS update, at least 26.1 or later. Next, we need to check the iPhone and make sure it is iPhone 11 or later. So I have the 17 Pro here. So you can go into the About in settings and check for model name. And make sure you have the iPhone 11 or later. If you have iPhone 9 or 10, it won't work. So make sure your device is compatible. Next, you want to ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. So go into settings and tap on Bluetooth and make sure it is toggle on. If it's switch off, turn it on. Along with that, you want to ensure that Passcode is turned on. So we can go back into settings and go down and look for Face ID and Passcode. Make sure you have Passcode turned on. If Passcode is turned off, it will not work. So set a passcode on your iPhone. If you want, you can also turn on Face ID, use Face ID to verify your identity. Another thing that you need to do is go into your Apple account and turn on two-factor authentication. So tap on sign in and security. In here, we go down and make sure you turn on two-factor authentication. So make sure it is turned on. Okay, so far if you still have issues, then you need to check your region. So we go into settings and go down and tap on general. Then we scroll down in here and tap on language and region, and make sure that your region is set to United States. At the moment, this feature only works in United States. In due time, maybe it will expand to other regions. So for now, select region United States. Finally, you want to check your passport and ensure the passport is valid. And again, it has to make sure the passport is compatible in that particular region. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video.